Is it the end of the road for this household rubbish? After all, it's hard to imagine that anything here could be of further use. But actually, they're just beginning a journey to produce power.
Around about 45% of Dubai's total waste comes to this facility, and we turn that into energy.
Overseeing this site in the United Arab Emirates, Tim Clark is an expert in turning piles of trash into megawatts. Here, enough to power approximately 130,000 homes.
This facility is the largest of its type in the world. We're processing about 1.9 million tonnes a year of waste.
The process is simple. Burn the waste, produce heat and steam, drive a turbine to make electricity. It's a tried and tested method that has existed for over a century. Now, Tim says having a plant of this scale takes it to a different level.
We operate at a 34% efficiency of producing electricity, which is much higher than it would normally be expected from an energy from waste plant. And that's partly because of the size. We can operate at higher temperatures and higher pressures.
Last year, the world's urban areas produced more than 2 billion tonnes of waste, and that will grow to nearly double by the middle of the century. Landfills are piling up, and there's an urgent need for a way out.
If we're globally putting more waste into open dumps, we're creating methane that is unmanaged. As a solution, waste energy can create less emissions compared to a landfill setting.
At ورسان, besides the energy produced, waste metal is recycled and leftover ash is used for building roads. Finally, sulfur and heavy metal contaminants are filtered and taken away.
Only the 200 tonnes of flue gas residue is the net waste at the end of 5,500 tonnes of waste going in per day.
Using trash to create power can be seen as a more sustainable way to manage waste and combat the climate crisis. For experts, it's one piece of the puzzle.
I think waste energy is part of a holistic solution. If we look at things from a circular economy standpoint, turning that plastic bottle back into a plastic bottle is by far going to have the least amount of energy consumption. And the first, of course, would be just minimizing waste from the get-go. For example, less packaging or no packaging.
This is the future of trash in a world where no efforts are left to waste.